Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The Bank Promotion Exams 2025-2026 is a golden opportunity, and I'm here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we will learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today, prepare smartly, and make your promotion in 2025-2026 a reality. Welcome to part 7 of my Mark to the Corner Office 2025-2026 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear practical sample answers about case studies and group discussions to help you climb the career ladder faster. The subject is some case studies. Previous case studies link are available in the description. Fraud detection in loan applications. Scenario. A customer applies for a high value loan but submits inconsistent documents and unverifiable income statements. Key issues: A. Risk of sanctioning loan to a fraudulent applicant. B. Potential financial loss and reputational risk. Solutions. Verify all submitted documents with issuing authorities. Conduct field verification of income and residence. Cross check applicants' credit history and CIBIL score. Escalate suspicious cases to fraud monitoring or internal audit. Reject or hold loan approval until verification is complete. Notes: introduce staff training for red flag identification and regular internal audits. The next is NPA management strategy. Scenario: a corporate borrower has defaulted for 6 months. Key issues are there: non performing asset affecting bank profitability, risk of full default if not addressed promptly. The solutions can be: classify the loan as NPA and report as per RBI guidelines, conduct a borrower meeting to understand repayment issues, offer restructuring options if feasible, initiate legal recovery proceedings if necessary, monitor closely and update recovery strategy regularly. Notes: timely reporting and proactive intervention reduce NPA impact. The next is customer complaint on online banking. Scenario: a senior citizen reports failed online transactions and delayed resolution. Key issues: A. Customer dissatisfaction and trust erosion. B. Risk of social media backlash. The solutions can be: acknowledge the complaint promptly, investigate the failed transaction and ensure reversal. C. Guide the customer through the online banking process. D. Escalate repeated complaints to the branch manager. E. Initiate customer awareness programs for digital banking. Notes: keep response time within RBI's customer service guidelines. The next one is branch profitability analysis. Scenario: high footfall but declining deposits. Key issues can be: A. Low revenue generation despite customer base. B. Inefficient cross selling or customer retention. The solutions can be: A. Analyze reasons for declining deposits, competition rates, service quality. B. Implement target deposit schemes. C. Train staff on cross selling and upselling. D. Improve customer service and branch facilities. E. Regularly review KPIs to measure improvement. Notes: profitability depends on active marketing and customer engagement. The next one is loan overdue prioritization. Scenario: multiple overdue loans and limited staff for recovery. Key issues can be: option A, resource constraints, effective recovery efficiency. B, risk of missed repayments escalating NPAs. The solutions can be: A, categorize loans based on overdue amount and risk. B, prioritize high value and high risk accounts. C, allocate staff accordingly. D, use automated reminders and monitoring tools. E, consider legal notices for persistent defaulters. Notes: efficient prioritization reduces NPA buildup. The next one is digital transformation challenges. Scenario: low adoption of the bank's mobile app in rural areas. Key issues: A. Customers unfamiliar with digital tools. B. Risk of remaining non competitive. Solutions can be: A. Conduct digital literacy workshops. B. Provide incentives for mobile transactions. C. Simplify app interface for rural users. D. Launch awareness campaigns through local media. E. Monitor adoption rates and gather feedback for improvement. Notes. Gradual adoption improves operational efficiency. The next one is ATM fraud management scenario. Frequent card skimming incidents in the branches ATMs. Key issues can be A. Financial loss to customers and bank, damage to bank's reputation. Solutions: A. Inspect ATMs and install anti skimming devices. B. Educate customers about card safety. C. Monitor ATM transactions and suspicious withdrawals. D. Coordinate with local law enforcement. D. E. Regulate rotate ATM locations if possible. Notes: preventive measures are most cost effective than compensations. The next one is risk assessment for new SME loan. Scenario: small business requests a loan without prior credit history. Key issues: A. High default risk. B. Lack of verifiable financial history. Solutions can be A. Evaluate business plan, cash flow, and market potential. B. Consider collateral or co-signers. C. Approve a smaller pilot loan first. D. Monitor repayments closely. E. Educate the borrower on credit discipline. Note: risk-based lending ensures sustainable portfolio growth. The next one is workforce conflict and branch. Scenario: two employees conflict effective branch performances. Key issues: A. Decreased productivity and morale. B. Risk of customer dissatisfaction. The solutions can be A. Conduct private discussions with both the employees. B. Identify the root cause of the conflict. C. Mediate and propose compromises. D. Involve HR if necessary. E. Monitor team dynamics and performance post resolution. Note: early intervention prevents operational disruption. The next one is implementation of RBI guidelines. Scenario: new KYC norms effective next month. Key issues: A. Regulatory non-compliance risk. B. Branch unpreparedness. The solutions can be A. Train all staff on new guidelines. B. Update systems and forms for compliance. C. Communicate changes to customers. D. Conduct internal audits before rollout. E. Ensure periodic follow-up to avoid lapses. Note: compliance safeguards banks' license and creditability. The next one is loan against property dispute. Scenario: a customer disputes the valuation of his property, claiming it reduces his eligible loan limit. Key issues: A. Customer dissatisfaction and potential complaint to RBI. B. Risk of improper valuation effective lending decision. The solutions can be A. Reassess the property valuation using an independent valuer. B. Compare with market trends and post past valuations. C. Communicate findings clearly to the customers. D. Adjust loan sanction if justified or explain reasons for denial. E. Document all interactions for audit trail. Note: transparent communication prevents legal and reputational issues. The next one is customer retention strategy. Scenario: premium clients are closing accounts for competitor banks. Key issues: A. Loss of high value clients impacts profitability. B. Weak customer engagement strategy. The solutions can be A. Identify reasons for client attrition, rates, services, competitor incentives. B. Offer personalized banking solutions and loyalty benefits. C. Enhance customer service responsiveness. D. Conduct regular feedback sessions. E. Introduce referral and reward programs. Notes: retention is cheaper than acquiring new customers. The next one is cybersecurity breach. Scenario: unauthorized access detected in core banking systems. Key issues: A. High risk of data theft and financial loss. B. Regulatory penalties and reputational damage. The solutions can be A. Isolate effective systems immediately. B. Inform IT security team and external cybersecurity experts. C. Notify RBI as per guidelines. D. Inform customers of preventive measures. Change passwords, freeze accounts if needed. E. Conduct a thorough postmortem and update security protocols. Notes: prevention, monitoring, and rapid response is key. The next is rural branch expansion scenario. Bank plans a branch in an underbanked village. Key issues: A. Risk of low profitability initially. B. Infrastructure and staffing challenges. The solutions can be A. Conduct feasibility study including population, income, and competitors. B. Recruit and train staff similar with local culture. C. Offer basic banking services first, gradually adding products. D. Promote financial literacy and awareness. E. Monitor performance and adjust operations. Notes: rural banking success depends on trust and local engagement. The next one is AML CTF compliance check scenario. Suspicious transactions detected in multiple accounts. Key issues: A. Risk of violating anti money laundering AML norms. B. Regulatory fines and reputational harm. The solutions can be flag A. Flag transactions as per AML software guidelines. B. Conduct detailed investigation. C. Report to FIU, Financial Intelligence Unit if required. D. Strengthen internal monitoring controls. E. Train staff regularly on AML CTF compliance. Notes: proactive detection reduces exposure to legal penalties. Thank you very much for your patience. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.